Hi there, in this video I'm going to share with you the exact warm-up that I did in 1999 when I first started singing. And I do go back to this every now and then because even though I was a complete beginner, I mean I could hold a tune, but I didn't have any vocal technique whatsoever. And this is the first warm-up that I ever did with my singing teacher Debbie, and I probably used this even though I went on to my singing teacher Mary after a couple of years. I probably used this for certainly for the first 2 years and then sporadically throughout my singing career. So we're going to start with lip bubbles. So we're going to purse our lips and blow through the top. Here we go. Keep going. Before I forget, if you're serious about singing, I recommend taking my free 5-day singing course. You'll find that in the pinned comment or in the description. All you need to do is click the link there, pop in your details, and I'll send that directly to you. Now, if you've already been singing for a while, you're not a complete beginner, or you are super serious about singing and you'd like singing lessons, then if you just go into the description, you'll see a place where you can book a singing consultation with me. So you'll see it, book a singing consultation, just click there, pop your details in, answer the questions there. It's like a mini application. We'll spend about 30 minutes together having a chat about where you are with your singing, where you'd like to be with your singing. We'll make some silly noises and some silly faces. I'll listen to you sing just a short passage, a verse and a chorus, give you some feedback, and if it's a good fit, then we could be working together just in a couple of weeks. On to our next exercise. This is seesaws. It goes round twice. All right, take a breath. Good luck. 5, 6, 7. Last one. Now, if you can nail that, it's really going to help with your agility. So that's your vocal flexibility. It's a really, really great exercise. Next is the vowels. We sing R, E, E, or oo. This is going to help with your vocal control. Here we go. R, E, E, O, oo. 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 No vibrato, nice and straight. Well done. The next exercise is really great for diaphragmatic strength, so strengthening your diaphragm, and we're making sure that you're not using your shoulders and you're not using your throat. It's all here in your diaphragm. So here we go. And actually, let's start a bit lower. 5, 6, 7, and ha 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 ha. So making sure that you're listening to how it goes, because if you get it wrong, you're going to have nowhere to breathe and you're going to flake pretty quickly. Musicians don't listen, and specifically singers and guitarists don't listen. So make sure you're not one of the statistics and you're an exception rather than the rule. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and ha 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 ha. Keep going. Make sure you breathe. Last one. Next we're going to sing the major scale. We'll sing from here. You can sing to E, oo or R. E is perfect for beginners. If you have some experience with singing and you're more confident, then you can open it up to oo. And if you have been singing for a while and you're very confident, then you can sing to R. So we can sing R. Now, a lot of people ask me what's the difference between a major and a minor, and people say, well, major sounds happy and minor sounds sad. I prefer to use bright and dark, so this is a major, this is a minor, and the difference is with the third note. So 1, 2, 3, so that's the major third, 1, 2, 3, and then if we flatten it and I play the black note rather than the white note, so 1, 2, flat 3, but we're going to sing the major. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, and keep the same volume as you go up in pitch. Don't get louder to try and hit the note. Keep the volume, you have more control. Last one. The next exercise is an octave jump, and then we're going to sing down the scale. So we're going to sing or to oo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and. If you're a beginner, or R. Last one. I trust that you've enjoyed the first ever warm-up that I did with my first singing teacher, Debbie, back in 1999. I'll be back with another video very soon. I'll see you then. Stay hydrated. Ciao!